Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to decorate my family room for winter. And mostly item I'm using here, I already have. The only thing it's new is my granary. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. And also I'm going to show some shopping haul.
Never thought it would be so hard. I grew up without a scar. Just living my life with no big worries. And I've always known what I want, just didn't know what came along. Finding myself a much less happy. Back in the days I used to dream about one day a life so amazing, not everyone judging me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad.
I really like this one because it's very warm and cozy.
Wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. Can't stand to hear more today. I'm gonna lock my door and stay inside or wait until I'm safe again. I have nothing more to put on. I'm defeated and withdrawn, just trying to understand where it went wrong. Always believe that nothing good in life is free, but it's overwhelming how people can hate on me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. And no one can break me, and no one can bring me down. I wanna be where I'm safe and sound. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Oh, oh, oh. I wanna stay wide open.
Guys, don't forget tomorrow our romantic garden Valentines Escape in week 2 of our Valentines series. Everyone stay tuned. Next week, I'm going to release my full winter home tour. So I'm just giving you a little bit of sneak peek how I decorate for winter of 2022. Alright guys, I'm going to show you a little bit of my 2022 shopping haul in this video because I'm going to showcase some of it tomorrow. And I hope if you like something what I show her today, so I hope you can go to your local home goods. Let's get it started. And here is the first item I'm going to show you in my shopping haul for 2022. It's very pretty. And I really love it. This one came from Home Goods. So I'm only gonna show a little bit of the items because I'm going to do a shopping haul and I don't want this video to be really long. This is the next item. This one came from Home Goods. I really love the detail of this. This one is going to be in my loft decorating. And also from Home Goods, I really love this flower vase with white roses. It's very elegant and I'm styling the white and gold pretty soon. So you will see this in my tablescape. Right, from Target, I got this Tujumagi marble accent decor and I really love this too. And also this piece right here came from Home Goods as well. This one is perfect when you're having a coffee and you're going to put that, you know, near in your couch. So I really love that. I believe they also have this in Target in black, but this one came from Home Goods. Next is another Tom Ford book. This one came from Home Goods. And next is this another book also came from Home Goods.